everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Glassdoor. So let's jump into the video. Open your Glassdoor application, and then this will be the first interface for the platform. You can sign into your Glassdoor account using your Google account, with your Apple ID, or with your email. In my case, since I've signed up using my email, let me tap on continue with email at the bottom. Now, go to the next page and type in your registered email address in the text box. After you are done, click what's next. On the next page, provide your password in the text box. Enter your correct password and click on the sign in button. But in case you don't remember your password, you can reset it by clicking on Forgot Password link beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions. After clicking on sign in, once your credentials are correct, you'll end up in the main homepage for Glassdoor within a few minutes. So that was how you can easily sign in or log into Glassdoor using the Glassdoor application on your preferred mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.